I've been brokering the sale of real estate for 30 years. I've bought, flipped, sold. I've helped thousands of people with their real estate transaction. I don't say that to brag, only to share with you that what you learn from me is from actual tried and true experience. In this video, it's going to save you a whole lot of time, a whole lot of money, a whole lot of stress, and most importantly, it's going to make you money. I'm going to share with you what I wish I'd known when I first started in real estate, the mistakes that I've made, so you don't have to make those same mistakes. And then most importantly, some things that brokers, even still to this day, don't share with their real estate agents. Now, there's a bunch of them that brokers don't share with their real estate agents because a lot of them just don't have the experience. Oftentimes, real estate agents become real estate brokers so they can manage property. And there's nothing wrong with that. I have my broker's license, have been for literally close to 30 years. But most importantly, it's important to know that you don't have to have a whole bunch of money to start in real estate. You don't have to have a whole bunch of money. If you're out there and you've been in the real estate business for 2 or 3 years, what I do is help real estate agents learn and know how to get business out of your phone. Literally, you don't have to ever post a video. So many people are like, oh, you got to video this and video that. And if you're out there and you're watching this, you'll probably agree, I don't want to do video. It's hard to do. I did TV commercials 20 plus years ago. I did radio spots. I remember being so nervous. And now, if you want to do videos, a quick tip is when you shoot a video, just like I'm shooting this one, just pretend you're talking to one person. I'm doing it right now. I'm just talking to you because that's what's most important. I don't know if anybody's going to watch this video other than one person. Now, it's also important to know, and once again, I'm not a braggish person. I just think that people should learn from people who have actually done it. I had a hard time, even with this channel. I have a YouTube channel, WayneTurnerTV.com. I have over 500,000 subscribers there. I have over 200,000 on Facebook and 500,000 on TikTok and all this. Why? Because I help people. I'm just a big believer in you help people. If you learn it, you got to master it and become really good at it, and then you help people. What it boils down to is just posting simple little things. And I'm going to share with you a couple of those that you can do on social media that cost you $0. It's completely free. Me personally, I have just about 1.5 million people who follow me, who reach out to me. We sell houses due to this stuff. And I have not spent 1 cent on ad media, not 1 penny. It's just all organic information because I'm a big believer in if you learn something, God's placed that in your head and your heart, and you share it with others, and that's how you grow and become successful. So let's jump into some tactics, because I'm one of those where if I buy a book, and you may be the same, and I may be doing it right now, but let's just, listen, nothing aggravates Wayne Turner more than to buy a book, and it takes them 7 chapters to tell me what they're going to tell me. So grab a pen and a piece of paper. I'm going to share something with you that you need to be doing right now. Every single day, every day, you need to do a market analysis on every subdivision. So you simply create a list of every subdivision in your county, every subdivision in your city. Make a list of every single subdivision. I don't care if you want to do it in pen and paper. I'm old school. I don't care. Do it pen and paper. Every single subdivision. And then every single day, if you really want to get good at this, you just simply do a quick video. It can be 60 seconds. And you can say, hey, this is Sarah. I just want to give you all a market update on Beauchene. Right now, the average sales price in Beauchene was $550,000. Square footage is 2,700. They just updated this. They just did this. If you're thinking about buying or selling, let me know. We're just here to help. Listen, give people information. You don't need to ask for the sale every time. You need to give and give and give and give and give and give. And you give so much, then it's okay to ask politely. It's called Southern hospitality. My mom did a really good job of teaching me how to give and respect others. It's called holding a door, pushing in a chair, saying thank you, yes ma'am, no sir, yes sir, all of that good stuff. If you literally just post, and you don't have to do it, you don't have to do it in a video. However, video right now is one of the most impactful things. And this is what I always tell people to do. Your first 100 videos, they're not going to be all that good. You're watching this right now on an i15 Pro Max, my phone. I'm walking around with a selfie stick and a $100 mic. And the Joby selfie stick and the microphone, I literally paid $200 for. $100 for the wireless microphones, $100 for the Joby selfie stick. And I'm recording this on my phone. What it boils down to is just simply doing it. You have to ask yourself, if I shoot a video today, is it better than the one I shot yesterday? Well, if you didn't shoot one at all yesterday, it's 1,000% better. But I'm here to tell you, you don't have to do videos. There's other tactics without putting your face in front of a camera. Now, if any of you are watching this and you bought or sold a house from me, give me a thumbs up. If you're watching this and you're a real estate agent, like, man, I remember him back in the day. He didn't have that beard. He didn't have that gray. His hair was all brown. I was hustling, buddy, 24 years old. But you know what I was doing? I never called real estate work. It was never work for me. I worked at Peterbilt putting trucks together in a factory and assembly line. I don't have a college education. I'll tell you a quick story. I was working at Peterbilt second shift, and I was helping my uncle clean swimming pools. And when I was cleaning swimming pools, we were cleaning some nice swimming pools. We were in Middle Tennessee. We were cleaning pools that shaped like guitars and pianos and just all kind of cool stuff, right? And I was always asking my uncle, what do they do for a living? What do they do for a living? And I came across a couple of people, Mike Huffines, if you're out there, thank you, brother. We were cleaning your pool. I met Mike later on, and we became friends selling real estate together. But my Uncle Ralph was cleaning Mike Huffines' pool. And I seen for sale signs leaning up against the house, and I said, hey, Unc, what's he do for a living? He's a real estate agent. Well, that didn't take me all about 2 seconds to go, do I have to have a college degree? How long is it going to take me? What did I do? I jumped in. I started learning real estate. Always had an interest in it because I love real estate. I love properties. I love flipping. I'll tell people I was born with sawdust in my eye. My mom was in property management when I was a small kid. My dad was in property maintenance. Before he was in maintenance, he was a carpenter. So I've been around construction and houses and rentals and my whole entire life. I've seen people get evicted when I was a little kid. It's crazy. But that just kind of gets instilled in you. The reason why I tell you that story is to give you hope, to give you opportunity. Now, one thing you want to do, and if you're writing this down, here's another tactic. Go to your broker and go to real estate agents within your office, and every time there's a house that's sold, you go to Canva and you create a little template. And that little template is going to be a Facebook post. C-A-N-V-A. If you're not familiar with Canva, a lot of people are. If you work with EXP like myself, I've been a broker for been an independent broker, owned my own company for 18 years, and just the last couple of years, I switched over to EXP because the earning potential is way greater than I could ever do just being my own broker. It's kind of crazy. If you have any questions, you can go to, what's my website? WayneTurnerGroup.com. WayneTurnerGroup.com. You can reach out to me there. Watch the video, you'll see exactly what I mean. One tactic that you can do is to post solds. Think about that. You can't work with 10 buyers at one time. I don't care who you are. I've met a couple of real estate agents out there and they've just been hustlers, buddy, and they've closed 100 houses in a year. I've known a few, but I'm gonna tell you what they did the next year? Tanked, buddy. You're beat down, you're wore out. It doesn't matter if you got 3 assistants working those. You're just cranking and running and cranking and running and cranking and running. You don't really have a life. But when you have listings, you can have a life because you can be cutting your grass on a Saturday, have 20 houses listed, and other agents are selling those properties. You got to market them properly. You got to market them properly, promote them properly. But in order to get listings and to show people, you need to promote sold houses. Every single house that you've sold, you can go back 6 months or a year. There's no time frame on it that says when you sold it. You sold the house. Give yourself credit. Give yourself credit. You sold the house. So since you sold the house, you need to come up with a template. And listen, the word sold needs to be in either red with white letters or white with red letters. I can tell you red in the background, like a red solid box with white sold, works powerful. Now, I need to go into it even more than that because you want to do more than just a sold on those posts. You see, people need to know how long it took you to sell the house because it's proof in the pudding. Not only did you sell the house, but you sold it fast. And so if you put sold, write this down, S-O-L-D, and then write the word in, I-N, and then the number. So if you've sold a house and it took you 45 days or less, put the number of days. Sold in 19 days, sold in 7 days. And another thing, it's really important, write this stuff down. Make sure your phone number is out there, big, bold, and prominent. People get the itch, man, they want to call you. I can't tell you how many people have called me and they say, Wayne, can you come sell it? Wayne, can you come sell it? Wayne, can you come sell it? There's nothing like a come list me call when the person's practically standing in your driveway because they're just impatient like me. They're ready to get it going. Most people, by the time they call you, they've talked to you a little bit. Certain personalities, and that's a whole nother video I'm going to do on DISC personalities to summarize that stuff. DISC shows you about the dominance, the person that's, I'll get into all of that. Most importantly, you just have to promote your solds. Not only do you promote the solds, you got to promote them often. Just because you sell a house one time and you post it sold, do you think everybody's seen that? No, they didn't. Listen to me, please. If you learned anything from me, know this. Social media is not like it used to be. They're not just feeding it to all your friends. It's being seen all around the country, and most importantly, locally, when people local click on it, when people locally stop on it. You see, what they're doing now is, and I know this stuff, I've learned it like a 18-year-old kid. Well, that's considered an adult now, but maybe 26, who knows, go with me, you know. So it stops the scroll, and when you stop scrolling, they capture that you stopped. Have you ever been scrolling? It's like, I've never clicked on. I'm looking at golf carts, right? But I never clicked on one. Or I'm looking at furniture, I never clicked on it. Because if you so much as pause for 2 seconds, then they got you, and they're gonna send you that information. The point I'm trying to make is, you have to promote yourself. It's not bragging, it's your reputation, and you need people to know that you are in the area. And you can't forget, this stuff is free. You know how many hundreds of thousands of dollars I've spent? Probably over $1 million. Literally in postage stamps. I used to spend $25,000, $30,000 a year just in postage stamps. Postcards, newspaper, inserts, moving trucks, TV ads, $5,000, $10,000 a month. But now it's free. But this is what you have to understand. Go with me here. Just listen to this scenario. If you sit down to watch any sort of a television in its own, are you sitting in front of that TV 24 hours a day? You're not. Another quick question for you is, have you ever seen the same TV commercial more than once? Have you seen the same TV commercial more than once? So what you're doing is, you're not doing a TV ad to promote, to sell people. You're just doing a promotion to let people know we sold this house. Literally the sold posts are just as important as the listing post. But let me share with you a quick trick that you can do for a listing post that you need to do that will get you likes and shares, and most importantly, listings. Are you writing this stuff down? Is it good stuff? So one of the things that you need to do is put the sign out in the front yard, right? Once your sign's out in the front, let's just go with this one. There's a street, right? There's my truck, street. Here's what I need you to do. Put the sign right there. Start over here, roll your window down. You are not going to be in the photo. I need you to click record. Make sure it's not on Bluetooth, it's not connected to your car, right? I just need you to hold the phone and video you going very slow across the house, in front of the house. And make sure they see your for sale sign. That's a post. You need to be doing that on every single, listen, I have hundreds of ideas. These are just a few that you can do to get the phone ringing. Because once again, there's no such thing as a secret agent. And I can tell you, me personally, I love the listings, buddy. I love the listings. The most listings I ever had was about 126. Most homes I ever closed in 1 month was 46. Listen, I'm not trying to brag, but you got to know that the person that you're watching and listening to right now has been in the business, and I've sold lots of houses, and I've made a whole lot of money selling houses, and I'm just a big believer, man. You learn it and you master it and you teach it. When you got the opportunity to share with others, you just go for it. Now let me share this with you and I'll get off here. I don't mean to keep taking your time. If you're still with me, give me a thumbs up, like, share it with other real estate agents. If you ever want a personal call, you can literally go to WayneTurnerGroup.com and just shoot me your information. Once you fill out the information, it sends me a text. I'll call you immediately and talk with you and answer any questions that you may have about real estate. If you have any questions about EXP or anything, doesn't matter. I just love, I've been blessed in this business, and I can't tell you, it's just been fun. It hasn't been working. It's just been fun. It really has been a whole lot of fun. It continues to be fun because now I'm doing something that I enjoy just as much, and that's teaching people like yourself. So on that post, when you're doing a ride-by, right, what do you say? You just literally say, just listed this property. You can put the bedrooms, the baths. You can put the square footage. You can put the link to the property. Here's what I always do. I'm not just going to put a link to the property. It's not on my website where people can just click and see it. Most importantly, put your phone number on there and your cell phone number. So here's what I did. I put my phone number, my cell phone number was on everything. Of course, I had to have my office number, but I put my cell phone number, right? And I made sure that that was my cell phone number because people knew that's your cell phone. And they could text you. I was back in the day, we didn't have text messaging, but they could text you or call you. Here's what's really cool. When your phone starts blowing up, all you have to do is hire a real estate agent to help you and just give them your phone. That's what I did. There was a gentleman, Michael Harrison. He worked at Remax with me, and such a great person, good guy. If you're out there, buddy, think the world of you. He did a wonderful job. When I handed him my phone and I said, go, help, please, you know? And in that year, I remember I went from selling 56 houses in 1 year to 120. And Michael did 36 sales and I did I think it was like 89 or 81 or something like that. And then as I got busier, my mom, who's a real estate broker, I said, Mom, let's merge some things. Let's get this thing jamming. So then it got even better. So then Mom's selling, Michael's selling, and the business keeps rolling, and the business keeps rolling. But how you do that differently today is you don't have to spend tens and thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars on billboards, TV, newspaper, radio like I did. You can simply do it on social media. So listen, I'm Wayne Turner. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions when it comes to real estate, just shoot me, WayneTurnerGroup.com. Feel free to watch the video if you have any questions, concerns. With EXP, I find that they make life a whole lot easier. And most importantly, you make more money. And if you could have a less stressful life making more money, well, that's a win-win for me. Until next time, thank you for watching, and God bless you.